Nag-asawa sa bali, 1 plus 1 equals 1. Nash and Freda are now united in the Lord. This includes their great desires to live as one and to serve the Lord God as one. Palakpakan kayo ng
Are to take your vows to pledge your faithfulness to each other. I'm very sure that you came to this place with one will and with your desire to take your vows. As the woman of my choice is about to become your wife,